Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam. How are you?
I am fine. And you?
Yeah, Alhamdulillah, everything is
Doing
good
well?
from my side.
Thank
Yeah.
you so much for having me and giving me a wonderful chance. And thank you, sir, especially for your time and concern. So I am very happy to see you again. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay, so basically now I just asked some feedback from our online training program. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so basically, kindly introduce yourself, then we'll start, please.
Um, this is me, Muzaffar Ali, and I am from Pakistan. So basically, I am a master's student in remote sensing in GIS. So before your course, I am nothing about the remote sensing and GIS. After the course, I am very advanced and learn how to monitor the change detections, machine learning algorithms, and use different indexes like NDVI, calculate water indexes, and others. So I have some publications in my after the your course. I'm able to publish some course papers. So successfully, I have a published one my paper, which is a machine remote sensing and machine learning monitoring the river and lakes. So
Okay, great. Yeah.
this is my short introduction.
Okay, great. Okay. So how would you rate your overall experience with this online training program?
It was very grateful for me because I have learned a lot of things about remote sensing and machine learning, especially random forest machine learning and apply to in Google Earth Engine how to apply random forest and SVM and XGB like GB boost. So before I am nothing about the random forest and other machine learning and about the remote sensing and how to import even satellite like a Sentinel Landsat into Google Earth Engine and how to select our region interested. After this course, I am very grateful for to learn a lot of things about the remote sensing, about the machine learning, and how to calculate indexes and lake and urban developments. So this is a very great experience for me.
Okay. So what part of the course did you find most useful for your
I
research?
find mostly like machine learning and how to import satellites and machine learning. I have some script in my Google Earth engine, so I would share the screen and you can share check the proof. So
Okay, great. No problem. Okay, no problem. And what is your future plan?
so I have a future plan and I will continue my PhD in remote sensing and PhD and about water and hydrology related. So mostly I'm working with hydrology and remote sensing related.
Okay.
Can you view my screen?
Okay, kindly share the screen. Yeah, please.
Now can share.
Click on the present now button. You can check present now. Then share
How
this.
can share the link screen? I'm not able to
Okay,
see.
you can see the present now button on your laptop. Share screen button. You can see the share screen beside
Share
the
screen bar.
share screen button beside the turn off camera or video symbol.
I think this one is share the screen. So this one. Yes. This.
Okay.
This is a land use land cover. Uh, and I was applying the random forest and about my region. So before the your course, I am nothing in the how to apply, how to use land cover and how to apply random forest.
Okay.
After this course, I am able to use remote sensing in proper way in scientific way. So I have another like just let me show out. Just 1 minute, sir. This is related to our thesis and my new paper. So I was applied different water indexes, NDBI, MDBI, and
So
calculate
which
the
journal did
index.
you publish this paper?
What's up?
What's the journal name?
Look,
Mainly your publication journal name. Did you publish this paper?
it's international journal. It's related remote sensing and water hydrology. Sorry, it's related. It's international journal related to remote sensing and hydrology.
Okay.
So, and this is my new paper I am recently working on.
Okay, great.
And in this paper, I will show the different indexes, water indexes, and apply the 3D machine learning algorithm in Google Earth Engine. After that, I have to apply the change detections.
Okay, great.
Red color show the water loss,
Yes.
and green
great.
color show the water gain, and blue color show the water presence of water. And I have applied the different accuracy like Kupa in others matrix. So successfully, I have calculated metric accuracy in 90% because I have just 2 classes, land and water. So that's why maybe I'm successful to in accuracy assessment. So and I have a lot of experience about how to calculate rainfall data like a chips evaporation to evaluate like further our paper and improve your paper. So and like others, so I have a lot of experience about your courses totally.
Okay, thank you. And you already did a great job. Okay, so I hope, inshallah, in the future you can do more better for the PhD or journey. Okay.
Yeah. Sir, I have one question if you don't mind.
Please, please.
It's related to lake and sir, my supervisor and general editor gave me a comments to edit elevation data and water level data. So sir, I am not able to use how to calculate elevations and how to calculate water storage like level and water volume. So if you have any kind of
Okay, so I have a
videos,
tutorial about that. Mainly your elevation for water level.
water level.
Okay, I will send you some tutorial. You can knock me after some time. I will
Yeah,
just
thank you, sir.
I'll
Thank you
send you
so
some
much. Thank you.
papers about that. Okay, no problem. I will send you anytime. If you need any help or any suggestion for any research paper or any code, you can just simply inform me. I will try to
Thank you
share
so much,
with
sir.
you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
And